First problem, 900 light bulbs with a mean life of 125 days are installed in a new factory. Their length of life is normally distributed with standard deviation of 18 days. What is the expected number of bulbs expires in less than 95 days? That is the question. We'll see the solution. Given mu is equal to 125 and the standard deviation sigma is equal to 18. So standard normal variate Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Substituting the value of mu and sigma, you will get x minus 125 by 18. So this is the Z. First we need to find the number of bulbs expires in less than 95 days. So first we need to find the probability. Then we have to find the number of bulbs, right? So probability of bulbs expires in less than 25 days. So probability of x less than 95. So subtracting the mu, that is 125, on both sides of the inequality. Probability of x minus 125 less than 95 minus 125. Probability of x minus 125 less than minus 30. Then divided by sigma on both sides of the inequality. Sigma is 18. So probability of x minus 125 by 18 less than minus 30 by 18. But x minus 125 by 18 is Z from the second line itself, right? So probability of Z less than minus 1.67. So area under the normal curve less than minus 1.67. So this is the area. So this area can be written as total left side area, right, minus the area between minus 1.67 to Z is equal to 0, right? If you want the standard region, so take the whole left side area, then delete the area left side area between Z is equal to minus 1.67, Z is equal to 0, the white area, right? So that is my 0.5 minus area under the normal curve between Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 1.67 by the symmetric idea, right? So 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than Z less than 1.67. From the table 0.5 minus 0.4525, that is equal to 0.0475. So expected number of bulbs expires in less than 95 days. So total number of bulbs 900 bulbs into probability 0.0475. So 43 approximately. Next problem. The lifetime of certain kinds of electronic devices have a mean of 300 hours and standard deviation 25 hours. Assuming that the distribution of these lifetimes, which are measured to the nearest hours, can be approximated closely with a normal curve. First one, find the probability that any of the electronic devices will have a normal curve more than 350 hours. Second one, what percentage will have lifetime of 300 hours or less. Third one, what percentage will have lifetime from 220 to 260 hours. Given mu is equal to 300, sigma is equal to 25. Standard normal variate Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, right? Substituting mu and sigma value. So first question, to find probability more than 350 hours. So P of x greater than 350, subtracting mu and divided by sigma as usual. So x minus mu 300 greater than 350 minus mu 300, right? So probability of x minus 300 greater than 50, then divided by sigma, that is 25. So probability of x minus 300 by 25 greater than 50 by 25. We know x minus 300 by 25, first line itself, Z, right? So probability of Z greater than 2. So area is a normal area greater than 2. So this can be written as usual, total right side area. We need standard area, right? So total right side area minus the right side white area. Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 2. So 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than Z less than 2. So 0.5 minus 0.4772, probability is 0.0228. Next, to find the percentage here, we'll have lifetime of 300 hours or less. So probability of x less than or equal to 300. As usual, we proceed with mu, subtracting mu and divided by sigma. You can do directly, right? Just I am explaining step by step. So x minus 300, x minus 300 minus 300. So probability of x minus 300 by 25 less than or equal to 0. So probability of z less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0 means, so total area, left side area, 0.5. So percentage will have lifetime 300 hours or less. So multiply with 100. So 50%. To find probability between 220 and 260. So P of 220 less than x less than 260. Now subtract mu and divide by sigma as usual. So probability of 220 minus 300 less than x minus 300 less than 260 minus 300. So probability of minus 80 less than x minus 300 minus 40. So probability of minus 80 by sigma 25 less than x minus 300 by sigma 25 less than minus 40 by sigma 25. So probability of minus 3.33 less than z less than minus 1.16. So area between minus 3.33 to z equal to minus 1.6. This is the area. So area under the normal curve, z is equal to minus 3.33 to 0. Right? So the big area, right, minus the small area, minus area under the normal curve, z is equal to minus 0.6 to z is equal to 0. So using the symmetric, take the positive side. Area under the normal curve between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 3.33 minus area under the normal curve between z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.6. So probability of 0 less than z less than 3.33 minus probability of 0 less than z less than 1.6. From the table, 0.4993 minus 0.4452, 0.0541. So percentage, but they don't need percentage here, I think so. If you want percentage, just multiply the probability with 100, right, in any case, right? Thanks.